valiant marquis, Lord of Monferrato. I thank God that He honored you so much, that you have conquered and dispensed and given more than any uncrowned man in Christendom. And I praise God that He has exalted me to such a degree that I have found a most generous liege in you, who have kindly maintained and equipped me, and shown me great kindness, and from my lowly state exalted me so much, and turned me from a nobody into a prize knight, welcome at court and praised by ladies. And in return I have served you with willingly, and truly and with a glad heart, and to the utmost of my power. And I have devised many a courtly stratagem with you, and in many a pleasant occasion I have wooed ladies with you. And I have ridden at your side at war, and lost and won battles clad in armor, and given and taken many blows with you, and honorably fled and pursued with you, and checking the pursuit turned in mid-flight. And I have fallen and have unsettled other, and I have jousted in fords and on bridges, and spurred on past barriers, and attacked barbicans and moats, and scaled fortified heights, victorious through great perils. They have helped you conquer empire and reign in these lands and islands and a duchy, and to capture kings, princes, and principalities, and to defeat many an armed knight. I have raised with you many a strong castles, many a strong city, and many a magnificent palace, and besieged emperor, king, and emir, and the august Lascaris, the prostrator in the Petron, and many other. And I pursued with you to the Philippation, the emperor of Byzantium, which you have despoiled of his inheritance, to crown the other one. And if I bask not, thank to you in great riches, it will seem that I haven't been by your side, nor serviced you as much as I have reminded you of. And you know that I speak truly about everything, Lord Marquis.